techpreneurship. And I pay the entity how to secure your phone from hackers. Say, don't use your birthday, don't use your year of birth, don't use your name, don't use things that are common to people. Use a hashtag, use capital letters, use numbers and your password so that people cannot easily hack your phone. But never leave your phone unattended. Never leave your phone unattended. Change your phone's default passcode. Manage your Bluetooth security and protect your PIN and credit card data. And to information that you do more a month for and pay as part of your techpreneurship tips that you do a month for.
Like and subscribe and click on the notification. Happy FM, Nimdie, Happy FM, and